Alright, so this is going to be my 6th narrated sketch. And this narrated sketch is going to be of a syncline. So I'll write syncline at the top. And the syncline is going to be viewed from a map view and from a cross-section view, just as we did the birthday cake in narrated sketch 1. Alright, so in the map view, we're going to have a bunch of vertical lines. So as you can see, not very complicated. It's just going to give me a bunch of sections to work with. And I think ultimately I want to wind up with 7 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now that I have 7 sections to work with, I'd be able to see that the convergent symbol is going to be in the middle. So section 4 is obviously going to have my convergent symbol, which basically just looks like a star. And it means that this would also be my youngest layer. So the middle layer is obviously going to be the youngest, which means the ones on the outside are the oldest. And moving in towards the youngest. I'm also going to want to draw my dip symbols. They're going to be 45-degree angles. Draw each one of these at 45 degrees. Obviously it doesn't matter where it is, up and down. And then these are going to be pointing the opposite way at 45 degrees. They'll be going towards the right. And then this symbol here is horizontal, pointing towards the axis. So then I'm going to look at the cross section. And the cross section, I'm going to draw a line for, this line here is going to indicate Earth's surface. And once again, I'd have a bunch of layers, so it doesn't really matter how many. But I will draw a bunch of layers in. Just to get perspective, I will draw a person in. Draw a tree to identify that this is a crappy tree. But that'll be my tree to show that that is Earth's surface. I don't need a strike or a dip symbol because this is a cross section. All the cross section is going to show is that this here is the oldest. This whole layer that I'm going to shade will be the oldest layer. So once again, the oldest is going to be all the way to the left and all the way to the right. And then the youngest layer can be seen in the middle. So once again, we're going from oldest to youngest, youngest in the middle. And that is narrated sketch number 6.